Come along with us on the Sky Princess for a cabin crawl as we visit a mini suite.
Okay, y'all, we're going to our next room here.
This is the mini suite.
This is a mini suite. All right.
But it's a mini suite on a hump. That's why we have a bigger balcony.
Yeah.
Pretty
Look at that. We'll walk right over here and get the balcony, y'all. Mini suite with a balcony. Look at this. Look at that. Beautiful. Plenty of room there. Go out and see what's going on.
Because it's on the hump.
Balcony.
Beautiful.
It's
Look, they have
a
a
little
couch.
bit bigger
You're right.
because we're on the hump.
Yes.
We just got a little bit more room.
Yeah,
And then the
nice.
balcony has a little bit more room.
You get two TVs in here too.
Yeah. Yeah, and you can pull these curtains and have privacy if you did have a child sleeping on this thing.
Yeah.
That would make it.
A mini suite offers approximately 300 square feet of comfortable space. The bathroom offers a combination tub and shower. Each mini suite guest receives a welcome glass of champagne. It has a separate seating area with a sofa bed for a third passenger. The spacious balcony is approximately 40 square feet. We hope that you've enjoyed this tour of a mini suite. If you have, why don't you give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. We would love to have you as part of the Sea Lake Journey crew. Until next time, we'll see you around the channel.